Hi everybody, I'm back on seat taken, and today what we're going to be doing is installing this screen protector on the R9. I got it off of Amazon. It was very affordable. I think it was like 20 bucks. We're going to see if it fits. I already cleaned the screen off. I had a lot of dust and dirt on there. I already cleaned it off with some soapy water. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean it off with some alcohol and a microfiber cloth. Get all the oils off. Let's go ahead and squirt some alcohol on there. This is something that I do. I found that it works real well for making things stick. And I'm going to start wiping this off. I always like to do it a couple times. By a couple times, I mean wipe it on, kind of let it dry, then do it again. This ensures that I get all the soap off and then I get all the oils and fingerprints off. Okay. And anytime I've done this, it's worked real well. All right. Next, what I'll do is I'll open the box. And we'll go ahead and install it. Ripping this thing open. This is Innosure tempered glass screen protector off Amazon. My biggest thing is it gonna fit? Okay. And here it is. So let's look there. So balancing everything on the bike. We got a toolkit. We got a couple suction cups. And we got the screen. All right. Let's open the toolkit up. Let's see what's in here. Probably some wipes. Okay, so what do we have in here? We have cleaning wipes, which I'm not going to need. We have a little cloth, which I'm not going to need because I already cleaned it. And we have these here, positioning stickers, dust absorber. And then I dropped something here. That's a little squeegee thing, get the bubbles out. Okay, so typical screen protector kit. All right, let's go ahead and cut. All right, so what I've done is I put the suction cups on here. I'm gonna try using them. They work real well. So I'm gonna line it up. This is just test fit. Make sure, get an idea of where everything's gonna line up at. Yeah. So it's not the exact dimensions of the actual screen, but it looks pretty close. Let's see if I can. All right, I think I got an idea of where it's gonna go. It is tight in there. I'm gonna go ahead and peel off the protector. Okay, some dust landed on it. Use this thing. Okay. Just keep an eye over here. There's some dust over here. So I'm using the dust absorber. Get that off. We're outside, so obviously a little bit of wind's blowing. All right, did that. And let's go ahead and I'm gonna peel this off. Yeah, peeling this off. There it goes. And I'm gonna go over here. Yeah, I've never had these before, these little things. I don't know if this is what they're for, but this is what I'm gonna use them for. I'm gonna try my best to center it. Get it on there. That looks right. I forgot to put my glasses on, so it looks pretty good. It looks pretty centered, so I'm gonna go ahead and press it down the center and start pushing out towards the ends. I'm gonna take these off so I can see. Oh, look at that. I think I actually did it without getting air bubbles. I'm gonna use this over here, this right here. It's like kind of on there. Looks like there's some air bubbles there. There might have been little particles of dust I didn't see. But, well, yeah, there it goes. Oh, there's air bubble right here where the suction cup was. Well, that sucks. Okay, let's see if I can lift it and just kind of give it a way out. It doesn't have a way out. There it goes. Yeah, there we go. Got it out. Okay. All right, so it looks pretty good. Fits good. It was easy to put on. I would highly recommend using these little suction cups, as it made it a lot easier to hold on to the screen and get it installed. All right, till next time, seat taken.